God is restoring your joy. Watch this when you feel empty. You've smiled for everyone else, but deep inside you feel empty. The joy you once had? It's been buried under pain, stress, and silence. But listen, God is restoring your joy. Life has drained you. Responsibilities, disappointments, and heartache, they've worn down your spirit, leaving you feeling hollow and lost. The weight of the world seems to press down on your shoulders, but even in this darkness, there's a glimmer of hope. God hasn't forgotten the laughter you once knew. He hasn't abandoned the joy you were born to carry. Psalm 35 says, "Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning." And your morning is coming. You may not feel it yet, but something is shifting in the spirit. God is breathing joy back into your dry places. He's watering the seeds of happiness that have laid dormant in your heart. Joel 2:25 says, "I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten." That means even the joy you lost, through pain, trauma, or fear, God can bring it back, better than before. He sees you in your struggle, in those quiet moments when you feel most alone. He's holding you, even when you can't feel his embrace. And he's not finished with your story. Your journey doesn't end in this valley. The mountain of joy lies ahead, waiting for you to climb it. Don't give up. Your soul will laugh again. Your spirit will dance again, free from the burdens that have held you down. Trust in his timing, for he makes all things beautiful in his time. Your restoration is not just a possibility, it's a promise from God himself. Embrace this truth. Joy is returning to your life step by step, day by day. Open your heart to receive it, for God's love is the key to unlocking your joy. Remember, you are deeply loved, infinitely valued, and purposefully created. Your joy is being restored, even now in this very moment. Believe it, receive it, and watch as God transforms your sorrow into dancing. Believe it, receive it, and watch as God transforms your sorrow into dancing.